everyone, it's Ruby here and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my living room. We've never filmed in here before. Say hello to my couch, hey? And my pot plants. So the reason why I am filming in this space today is because when I get ready to go out with my girlfriends or I'm getting ready for a work event, I sit in this exact spot and I do my makeup here. I do have a beauty room, I do have a filming room. I can do my makeup in there anytime, any day. But I just love doing my makeup and applying my products in natural light. And this room has so many windows and it just has, in my opinion, the best light in the house. So I like to sit here and do my makeup. I currently have all of my brushes and all of my makeup just kind of splayed out on the coffee table, which I don't mind because I can actually see everything. So that's like another thing. I do have a beauty room. I do have a filming setup. It's a little bit tight, so I do prefer this, like, this freedom. Since I'm getting ready, I was like, I'm gonna turn this camera on. I'm gonna show you some products that I am obsessed with right now. And I got them at a really good competitive price compared to going to like a department store, for example. So please keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the subscribe button down below and also turning on your post notifications. All right, let's get started. I'm super excited to let you know that for this video, I have actually teamed up with Strawberrynet, which has been one of my go-to beauty destinations for, I would say, about 8.5 years now. I found that the prices on this site were very competitive, especially on highly coveted, popular, luxurious items like this designer Dior eyeshadow palette, for example. I am definitely having like a blue navy moment right now, which is why I decided to shop that eyeshadow palette, including this iconic Dior Show Pump and Volume mascara and the Givenchy Kohl. This is always sold out every time I wanted to purchase it. So when I saw it was available, I was like, I am sold. Most exciting part is you guys, my viewers, will get 20% off any purchases over $40 US using the code LOVEBEAUTY66. Strawberrynet literally has like over 33,000 different products on their website and on their app, so I would definitely jump at it. Now, I have super dry skin, so of course using an oil before makeup is essential for me because it means that my foundation is going to glide over my dry spots with ease. Now, before I pop on my foundation, I need to pop on a pore refining primer. This one is a dream to use because it's super lightweight and thin on the skin, and it's not as cakey as some of the other pore filling primers on the market. For foundation, I am of course using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I mean, this formula is iconic, and I just like to spread the foundation evenly all over my face by dotting it using my finger and then bouncing it in using a sponge. To conceal the discoloration on my eyelids and to also prime them, I'm using this Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C5 and then bouncing it out using a Real Techniques, one of those little mini sponges. I'm also getting a head start on my concealing by just tapping a little bit of product right on the inner corner of my eyes to hide the dark circles. So this particular palette has a few different eyeshadow formulations, including cream, which is why I'm setting only the crease and brow bone area of my eyes. I'm taking a synthetic angled brush and dipping that in the navy blue cream shadow, and I'm using this product to line the perimeter of my eyes and also create like a really nice feline cat shape to elongate the shape of my eyes. And this Dior cream shadow formulation is so easy to blend out. Now, using a dense eyeshadow brush, I'm dipping into this more vibrant blue shade which has an iridescent finish, and I'm packing this color onto my mobile lid, concentrating it mostly on, I would say, the outer third of my eyes just to enhance that cat-like shape we've got going on. I'm also taking this large fluffy eye blender brush by Zoeva and just dipping it in a touch of that blue color to soften out the edges of this eye makeup look. It's super important that you do slightly diffuse the edges so it doesn't look like an editorial look. I just think this is a super important step because it softens the eye makeup and gives the eyes more of a sultry feel. Moving on to my favorite part of this whole entire makeup look, using this Iridescent Shadow. When I was on the Strawberrynet app, I noticed this and I was like, oh my god, I cannot wait to apply this all over my eyeballs. So I'm literally using my finger to press this iridescent shade all over my mobile lid. I also redefined my brow bone highlight, which you just saw, and now I wanted to create some warmth in the socket area because I just feel like there was nothing happening in that area. So I'm using the IT Cosmetics You Sculpted palette, and I'm using the terracotta shade to create a really nice warm gradient to the eyes. I also dipped back into the navy blue cream shadow just to redefine my eyes. So I'm applying this on my lower lash line, on the outer thirds to redefine that flick that we've got going on, and also on my top lash line to thicken up the base of my lashes. Now, typically I would rim my eyes using a black liner, but I feel like the warm brown shade of this Givenchy Kohl will make my eye color pop. Now, I'm also not wearing any eyelashes for this look, so I'm just going to redefine the base of my lashes, making them look thicker using the Fenty Beauty Felt Liner. By the way, I highly recommend this. It is a really great product for creating like a really nice feline flick, or like if you want a tight line close to the base of your lashes. Oh my god, it is amazing. For mascaras, I honestly believe that Dior has had the most consistent formulas across all of their mascaras, where they've absolutely been show-stopping. This one in particular is my favorite. It is the Pump and Volume, where you can actually press the tube of the mascara to kind of load it up with more products, so you can get volume, bulk, and length, so you've got big lashes without the use of any falsies. The eyes are not quite done yet, but I just wanted to move on to my concealer real quick. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm using this to cover up my dark circles and also the pimples that I have across my cheeks. I'm moving back onto the eyes to add that inner corner highlight slash finishing touches to the eyes before moving back down onto my cheek area, so I can have a little bit of a cool tone blush on my cheeks for a really nice flush of color. To mattify, sculpt, and also highlight my face, I am using the IT Cosmetics You Sculpted Highlighting and Contouring Palette. These formulas are honestly amazing. The matte highlighting formula is great as a face powder if you do have a lighter complexion, and the soft contour is perfect to contour your cheekbones, your forehead, and jawline if you are on the paler side. Now, I also have the Radiant highlighter, which has to be one of my favorite powder highlighter formulas that I'm using across my cheeks, down my nose bridge, and also on my cupid's bow. I like to finish off my brows towards the end of my makeup look when I've done applying my foundation, my powder, my concealer, so that my makeup won't leave like a gray cast over my brows. Finishing skin touches, setting spray. This is what I consider to be like the Rolls Royce of setting sprays. It is the SK2 Midday Miracle Essence. It leaves your skin feeling amazing, therefore your skin looks amazing throughout the day. Now, I'm finishing off this entire look with my lips. Iconic Nude to line my entire lip line, and then a little bit of the single Mademoiselle Fenty lipstick just to dab all over the lips. So this is what my makeup looks like from a distance. I'm just going to see how long an Uber is going to take from my house. 8 minutes. Okay, I probably won't order it now since I still need to get dressed. But this is what my makeup looks like from a distance. I'm absolutely obsessed. You'll see in a minute that I'm wearing all navy from head to toe. My shoes are navy. They're these gorgeous limited edition Dior slingbacks that when I saw them, I was like, oh my goodness, these shoes are a work of art. I need to have them. So I purchased them, and this is my first time wearing them out. So my look is going to be very monotone. Like I said, I'm wearing all navy from head to toe, but I do have a bright emerald green bag that I think is going to be like a nice clash in there. So there's going to be a little bit of red accents on my shoes, and then the green handbag. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all in a brand new video next week. I love you. Bye. Should I introduce them to my plants? Yeah.